In the history of homeopathy, one book stands as the guiding light for every practitioner, the Organon of Medicine, written by the great German physician Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. It was first published in 1810. This remarkable work laid down the scientific and philosophical principles of homeopathy. Even today, every student and practitioner studies the Organon to understand the true art and science of healing according to our master Dr. Samuel Hahnemann. The Organon of Medicine is not just a medical book. It is a complete philosophy of healing. It consists of 291 aphorisms, each presenting a fundamental principle of homeopathic practice. In the very first aphorism, Hahnemann clearly states that the physician's high and only mission is to restore the sick to health. This sentence reflects the core of objective of homeopathy, true and gentle healing of the patient. One of the most important principles explained in the Organon is the law of similars, which means like cures like. According to this principle, a medicine that produces certain symptoms in a healthy person can cure similar symptoms in a sick person when given in a potentized form. Hahnemann also introduced the concept of the vital force, an invisible dynamic energy that maintains health in the human body. When this vital force is disturbed, disease appears. Homeopathic medicines act dynamically to stimulate the vital force and restore the balance. Another important contribution in the Organon is the method of drug proving, where medicines are tested on healthy individuals to observe the symptoms they produce. These symptoms later guide the selection of the correct remedy for the patient. Hahnemann further emphasized that is individualization, meaning that treatment should be based on the unique symptoms of each patient rather than merely the disease name. Now we will see the concluding part. Thus, the Organon of Medicine remains the foundation and guiding philosophy of homeopathy. Through this masterpiece, Dr. Samuel Hahnemann provided a scientific framework for gentle, individualized, and holistic healing. For every homeopathic student and practitioner, studying the Organon is not just an academic requirement, it is the key to understanding the true spirit of homeopathy. Thank you.